In this legal vision, I would like to talk about sea laws in India, that is maritime law. And India has a special maritime law also, and it started very earlier. And the dispute between the nations, everything has been made as a regulation. It is a one jurisdiction beyond which the international water has. The nautical miles have been fixed. All happened due to UNO intervention. The United Nations organization decided, advised, and called all nations and met all the nations representative and discussed the matters more about the sea law, and whereby each and every country has its own sea law and the rules and regulation, everything. So regarding the South Zone maritime laws, the countries have some the treaties and also the contracts between the two nations signed, and whereby only the waters are protected. The international water is very significant. If we take current war, it is also USA and Iran war. That is one port is locked by the Iran. That's why we have to be very careful. It is also in protecting sea law or maritime law. And how we are protecting the South Sea water, it is a very significant. Government of India is very clear about it, and protecting is one people through the maritime law. Also, really in the treaties and contracts signed between the two nations and with other nations also. So, except the international law, international water, the remaining areas are jurisdiction of that's also each and every nation, and whereby only we could go in within the one boundary in the water. So it's a best example now is USA Iran war to create a more laws to protect our land and our also seawater also. And also in the maritime, the insurance also available. And we have to study those and we have to give them much importance to the sea law in India. That is very significant like a land law. Thank you.